Are you a new van owner trying to convert your van into the home of your dreams, but you're just having a hard time finding good content online? I know there's thousands of videos out there on van conversions these days, but luckily for you, we've condensed it all into one spot, the Vankookz Van Conversion Masterclass. This is the perfect masterclass from novice to intermediate if you're just looking at a step-by-step, no bullshit guide on how to get your van from an empty cargo van to the home of your dreams. What we've done inside of this masterclass is we've broken down every single step of the van build and given you easy to follow, step-by-step DIY instructions on everything from wiring your van to building cabinets, to plumbing, to floors, to ceiling, to walls. We left no stones unturned on this masterclass. Each phase has multiple steps within it, and these all are broken down into step-by-step process. We even got it down, stripped down to the basics, right? Stripping wires, crimping wires, how to wire light switches. We provide diagrams and explanations on everything. You're gonna learn how to build a 12-volt battery bank. You're gonna learn how to build your 12-volt power system. You're gonna learn how to build professional cabinets with minimal tools, right? I built this in my father-in-law's garage with a circular saw, a jigsaw, and a few other tools. We also include some van life build hacks to help you get a nice clean look. And we're also just gonna teach you what we've learned from master craftsmen over our time building vans over the past 7 years. Not only are you gonna get these amazing step-by-step modules, you also get access to DIY live calls. What are these DIY calls? Well, it's access for you kooks to ask us any questions you have on your van conversion. We have a couple calls a month for about an hour. We invite our kooks to all come in one place, ask any questions, bounce questions off each other. And the students in our beta class have told us that the DIY calls were worth the price of the course alone. So not only do you get all of the courses, right? You get the step-by-step modules, you also get access to the DIY calls. And then on top of that, we're adding in tons of discounts to all the brands we work with. Over the past 6 years of YouTubing, we've built a large relationship with brands, and we're just continuing to pass that on to you. So there's things like power inverters, discounts on composting toilets, discounts on power stations, all kinds of things, and that list just continues to grow. The more brands we work with, they're just gonna go straight into the masterclass discount page. So you're getting so much value within this course. You're getting so much more than just the step-by-step instructional modules. You're also getting that DIY support group. When I started building my van, there was really not much online. Now there's almost too much. It makes it too convoluted. But you can bring all those questions to us, asking us whatever step you're in, we can help you. I remember I was in the dark when I first built my van. I was calling my friends and they had no idea on how to build these vans out, right? So bouncing the information off of experts who have built multiple rigs and lived this lifestyle for over 7 years. I know this class is gonna help you so much. I had wished I had this when I first built my van 7 years ago. And you're just gonna come out of this class with skills, with knowledge. You can use this in the future. You can build amazing cabinets in your home or your off-grid home. You can learn how to power anything with solar panels. I just know you kooks will love it. And I just can't wait to see you in the course. So thank you so much, kooks. And if you already built your van and you're a fan of the Vankookz, please share this video with other kooks so we can get the word out. I mean, we've spent years building this course, right? Years of knowledge and experience all into one place. I think it's the best deal on the market. And right now we're offering $100 off lifetime access to the course to the first 50 people who sign up. So this is an amazing course. You honestly, if you take advantage of all the discounts we're giving you, you're gonna actually save all that money back. So it's an amazing deal. I wanted to make it affordable. I've been in the place of building a van and I know those expenses never stop ending. So just, hit the link below, sign up. I can't wait to see you kooks in the course. I can't wait to answer your questions and just meet all of you. So thank you so much as always, and we'll see you kooks in the masterclass.